Hello friends, welcome to JQuery tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to open panel on mouse hover. From this video onwards, we will lay in some of the accordion configuration so that we can achieve some special effect. Here in this video, we are going to open the panel when mouse hovers over the topic. The mouse over event option of the accordion tells how panel expands and collapses. By default, opening a panel happens via mouse click, which we saw in our previous videos. We can change this default behavior with configuration option. We already saw how to create tab with the configuration option. In the same way, we can create accordion by specifying some of the configuration options. As part of configuration option, we can pass the setting as a key value pass. We already saw that in the previous subseries when we are using the tabs. Here, if you see, this is the accordion. Previously, we used a separate variable to hold the key value pair. This time, we are directly passing that to the accordion. So this curly braces here can mark multiple event or multiple properties. Here we are passing event and the string is mouse over. So this is the key and mouse over is the value. So with that, if we create the accordion panel will open automatically when mouse hovers over the topic. Now let's go to the demo. So here we are going to change the script part. Right, whatever we saw in the code, that's what here we are doing. So you already know that we are creating the accordion. This time we are passing some parameters. So the parameter is the configuration option, which is specified as a key value pair. At present we have only one key value pair. The key is event and the value is mouse over. So with this configuration option, you can see that the panel get expanded when mouse hovers over the topic. If you see here, I am not clicking it and the panel opens automatically based on the mouse hover. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.